How's it going, everybody? Thank you for tuning into this episode of LB Outdoors. Really appreciate you watching this. Today is a really special episode. I'm going back to my roots of fishing. We're out here on the stream at our family farm. I've been fishing here for probably over 30 years. Absolutely love this place. It's loaded with trout. This is where I got hooked on the drug that is fishing. So I'm really excited. We should catch a lot of fish today. Probably a lot of nice fish. So without further ado, let's get to catching. Teal, you ready to go fishing? Are you ready to go fishing? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Today we are going to test the mood of the fish. I've had some warm weather the last few days. It's not super nice out this morning. It's kind of cloudy and windy. But with the warm weather, I'm hoping they're active enough to come up and eat the panther martin. This is I don't know if you can see that, a number 2 gold black panther martin. When it's cloudy out, I find that gold is your best color. So we're gonna see if they're active enough finally to come up and eat this. Most of my trout fishing has been done in big holes just like this one this year. Fish still seem to be sunk down in there, but we'll see if what we can do here. This is probably the most epic trout spot I've ever fished in my life. Very fortunate to grow up fishing a spot like this. You know, I've been here since I was a kid, so throw that out there and let's see what happens. Here he is. Oh, I missed them. Already getting the vibe. They're rather neutral today, or negative I should say. Here's one. There we go. Got that guy. Little one. Not very big, but quite acrobatic. Number 1 on the old panther martin. About as old school as you get right here. Nice little brown. Good start to the morning. This pool is very deep. Venture to guess it's probably, I don't know, almost 10 feet deep. So you gotta let that bait sink down there, because those fish can already tell they're a little negative. So I let it get down there to kind of where they're at, and then just slow roll this thing in. Once in a while I'll give it a little flutter, and then they're in here. But boy, they're missing it. Might have to be switching to my little jig head minnow pretty soon. Alright, alrighty. Switching back to the jig and the minnow. You can tell they're not in the mood to eat that spinner. Caught a couple little ones on it. Everything's still lethargic. Even with the warm sunny day we had yesterday, they are lethargic. These fish they like eating other fish too here. They're definitely bait fish eaters. I can't tell you, I've caught a few fish recently in the last couple years that had giant creek chubs down their gullet when I caught them. One of them even had an entire trout down its gullet. Pretty decent one too. One I caught was probably 17-18 inches and had I don't know, probably a 7-8 incher, like one of the last ones I just caught, all the way down its gullet. It was pretty crazy. So they definitely feed on bait fish here. All right, let's see if the old jig and minnow does the trick today. There he is. Oh, got him. That's a better fish. Yep, that's a better fish. That's a nice brown trout right there. That is a gorgeous brown trout. That's what we're after. Nice, nice fish. Look at the colors. That's probably a 13-incher, 12, 13. All right, well, here's the proof. Jig in the minnow is the way to go. Let that fall right down where that water flushes in, and that one couldn't resist. Keep it. Got him. Whoa. Hey. Hey, easy, easy, easy. Teal, easy. Hey, relax. As you can see, Teal is excited about catching fish too. Take my minnow back, buddy. Hey, hey. Teal, get down. Beautiful brown. Teal, do you like the brown trout? Yeah. You gotta be not so crazy. I swear that dog loves fishing more than I do. Yep, there it is. I watched that one come out and eat it. How cool is that? Nice brownie. Look at the beautiful colors on that fish. Got him. Little guy. He ate it though. Nice little, whoop, there he goes. Teal. Got him. That's a nice one. That's a big brown. Oh man, what a mess, what a mess. Oh, trying to get him in the current. Wow, we got him though. What a beautiful fish. This is a gorgeous brown trout. Look at that guy. That's easily a 12-incher all day. Whew. That was fun. Got him. Ooh, we have a treat here. You haven't seen one of these yet. Teal. This is really a sign of a really healthy stream. Oh, whoa, whoa, almost lost him. Almost lost him. Beautiful brook trout right here. Don't see too many of those in these streams, but this is a natural stream. Beautiful, beautiful brookie. So you see I got an undercut bank right here where that current's blasting in. And I just flipped that minnow up there. Just kind of drifted along the undercut. Not the easiest way to fish, but it's effective. Got him. Oh, that grass. Oh, it was in the grass. Got him. Right here. That's a nice brown trout right there too. In the tree. Oh, there he goes. Dang. Ooh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Oh. Oh, that's fun. Hey, hey, hey. Wait. That one got it all. Gorgeous brown trout. They're 12-inch class fish. Oh, that's the cast. Got him. Got him. Wow. That's a really nice brown trout. Stuck in the grass. Oh, he's backwards. Oh, I got him. We got him. Teal. Back off. Teal. That's the biggest fish of the day right there. Wow. Teal. Hey. Oh, he's just all wrapped up in everything. Hey. Look at that fish. That's definitely a 13, 14-inch brown. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors on it. Biggest fish of the day. Tiny little spot like that. That's what you get. Beautiful. Teal, come here. Got him. That's a nice fish. Nice brook trout. All right. Second brook trout of the day. Heck yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Man, it's going nuts. Oh, got it. All right. Look at that beautiful brookie. Look at those white fins. Aren't those cool? What a beautiful fish. There he is. Got him. Nice brown. Stay. Teal? Teal? No. Man, look at that brown trout. Wow. Look at the colors on that guy. Gorgeous. All right, everyone, that wraps up today's episode of LB Outdoors. Thank you all for tagging along with me. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It's really great to get back to my roots. This is where I grew up fishing, like I said at the beginning of the episode, and caught a bunch of fish today. Caught some really nice fish today. Just a great day to be outside. Hopefully we'll be out in the boat soon. Really itching to get out on the water with this early spring that we've had. But for now, this works. Really love getting out here. You're in the middle of nowhere. It's quiet. It's peaceful. Lots of fish to be caught. So pick yourself up a Trica rod and come on out here and enjoy this yourself. Until next time, remember, it's never a bad day to go fishing. Thank you for watching.